Hello YouTube! In a few days, the bar exams will be given. Handa na ba ang lahat? Lalo na ang mga examinees? Sana! But to be sure, here are some tips to nail the bar exams through beautifully crafted answers. I'm Attorney Al Jumrani and this is the House of Law. The bar exam is in the English language, at least for now. Ang mga batas at desisyon ng Korte Suprema ay nakasulat sa salitang Ingles, kaya wala tayong choice. Wait until you become lawyers, then you can express the law in Filipino or local languages sa pamamaraan na maintindihan ng mga ordinaryong tao. Rule number 1. Remember basic grammar rules. Sa sobrang pagmamadali ninyo sa pagsulat or baka dahil din kulang na sa practice, nakakalimutan ninyo ang basic grammar rules. For example, subject-verb agreement. Your verb should agree with your subject in person and number. Singular subject takes verb with S, while plural subject takes verb without the S. You don't say the plaintiffs alleges. You should say the plaintiffs allege. Or you don't say, the witnesses is available today. Dapat, witnesses are available today. Next, remember your tenses. Kung nangyari na yan sa past, use the past tense. If it is happening now or if it is applicable to present and future situations, use the present tense. Halimbawa, last month, the court issues an order. Ano ba yan? Nasa past na, mag-move on na. So dapat, last month, the court issued an order. Isa pa sa madalas na mali ng mga estudyante ay yung case ng to or to. Ano ba dapat ang form ng kasunod na verb? The rule of thumb is to is followed by the present tense and singular of the verb. Kaya you don't say, the heir appeared to claimed the property. Hindi mo din sasabihin na the heir appeared to claims the property. You should say, the heir appeared to claim the property. Rule number 2, write in short and straight to the point sentences. How to do this? Well, keep your subjects and verbs close together. Avoid intervening words. Halimbawa, the mayor of the town who I voted for is accused of corruption. Ang haba, friend. Ano ba pakin namin kung binoto mo siya? Ang importante lang sa sinabi mo ay inakusahan ang mayor ng corruption. Kaya it is better to say, the mayor of the town is accused of corruption. Another way to write short sentences is to write in the active voice. For example, the bicycle was damaged by the child. That's in the passive form. Kaya change it to active form by putting the actor in the beginning of the sentence. Kaya dapat, the child damaged the bicycle. O diba, nakatipid ka pa ng 3 words dahil natanggal mo yung was at by the. Be logical in your answer. Logic is giving valid reasons for your answer. A logical answer has 2 main parts, major premise and minor premise. The major premise is your law, and your minor premise is the application of the law to your answer. Diba nag-aral ka na ng batas? So gamitin mo sa sagot mo ang batas. Dapat lagi kang may legal basis para sa sagot mo. Hindi pwedeng yung tama yan o mali yan, tapos pag tinanong ang sagot, basta don't argue with me. So for your major premise, write the law that applies to the problem. Halimbawa, this is the question. In 1995, ABC Corporation purchased from XYZ Corporation the latter's 500 square meter farm property in Tanay, Rizal via a private document. In 1997, XYZ Corporation sold the same property to Gilbert, who, without knowledge of the sale to ABC Corporation, immediately took physical possession of the property. Neither ABC Corporation nor Gilbert caused the transfer of the title to the property. Who, between ABC Corporation and Gilbert, has a better right to the property? Your major premise is the law on double sales under Article 1544 of the Civil Code. This is how you state your major premise or legal basis. Under Article 1544 of the Civil Code, if a real property is sold to different vendees, the ownership shall belong to the person acquiring it, who in good faith first recorded it in the Registry of Property. If there is no registration, the ownership shall belong to the person who, in good faith, was first in the possession. In case there is no possession, then the ownership shall belong to the person who presents the oldest title also in good faith. Now for the minor premise. This is your application of the law to the facts. So remember the question. Take the relevant facts there and put them in your answer. Thus, your application or minor premise should read like this. In the case at bar, a 500 square meter farm property in Tanay Rizal was sold to ABC Corporation and later to Gilbert. Neither of them registered the sale, but Gilbert first took possession of the property without any knowledge that the property was previously sold to ABC Corporation. Therefore, Gilbert has a better right to the property. In logical and legal reasoning, you lay the legal basis and apply it to the facts of the case. Both your law and application must agree. Parang ikaw lang at ang crush mo na crush ka din. O diba, agree? Nasabihan ka na ba ng your answer is irrelevant? O di kaya ay, uy, defensive? Parang ganito lang yan. Nakipag-meet at date ka sa kachat mo sa Tinder, tapos kinabukasan, tinanong ka ng mga friends mo, uy, na-meet mo na siya, finally. Pogi. Tapos ang sagot mo, ang bait niya, promise. Ay, hindi sinagot yung tanong. Huwag ganun, friends, sa bar exam, ha? So, here are my tips for spotting the issue. Number 1, focus on the call of the question. Yung tanong mismo sa problem, like, is Attorney X engaged in the practice of law? The call of the question usually reveals the issue that you are supposed to address. Number 2, look also at the arguments of the parties. Balikan mo yung question at intindihin mo ang mga sinasabi ng mga parties. Find the point of contention. Sagutin mo din yon. Halimbawa, dun sa question na is Attorney X is engaged in the practice of law, malamang sinasabi ng kalaban ni Attorney X na hindi siya nag-a-appear sa court. That's an argument you need to consider. Finally, check the facts. From the arguments, understand the facts. Mas mapapanarrow mo pa ang issue based on the facts. So, sa same problem natin, yung question ay, is Attorney X engaged in the practice of law? Tapos yung argument ng kalaban ay, Attorney X does not practice in court. Pero nasa facts, nahanap mo, nakita mo na Attorney X is an in-house corporate counsel giving legal advice to management and ensuring compliance with business, tax, and corporate laws. Kaya ang issue mo ngayon ay kasing linaw na ng love life mo, wala. Joke lang. After following the 3 steps in issue spotting, ang issue mo na ngayon ay whether Attorney X's work as an in-house corporate counsel is considered a practice of law. So with that issue, masasagot mo na siya ng tama. Mga mahal kong estudyante, hindi po kayo perpekto. Walang perpekto. Remember this and you will strive harder. You will not be complacent. Instead, you will make sure you will exercise due diligence in your answer. From grammar to logic to issue spotting, you will make sure that every aspect of your answer complies with the rules or expectations. Kaya pakatandaan nyo ang mga ito. Number 1, review your answer against the question. Nasagot mo ba yung tinatanong sa iyo? Tama ba yung batas? How about yung application ng batas sa problem? Number 2, proofread for errors and correct them. Check your spelling, sentence construction, and grammar. Remember, walang editor or Grammarly ang Examsoft o yung exam platform, kaya you have to do it manually and consciously. Parang math lang yan. Walang calculator sa exam, kaya you are on your own. Third, submit only when you are satisfied. Finally, after reviewing your answer and checking for errors, ask yourself, are you happy with your answer? Does it give you peace in your heart? Kung hindi pa, review mo ulit ang mga relasyon mo kung saan ka nagkulang. Char! Review mo ang sagot mo, baguhin kung kinakailangan hanggang sa makontento ka. Once you find peace and pride in your answer, then you can click the submit button and then move on to the next question or exam. You have done your best, now let God do the rest. Alright guys, sana nakatulong ang aking mga tips for answering bar exam essay questions na makakatulong din sa mga law students sa kanilang mga law school exams. So agree ba kayo sa mga tips ko? May ibang tips ba kayo? Let me know in the comment section below. Sa mga magbabar exam from November 9 to 20, 2022, good luck po sa inyo and God be with you. Please give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe if di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, and please click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag nag-upload ako ng next video ko. Until next time, laging tatandaan, isip ay buksan, alamin ang batas. Bye guys!